Today I'll be cooking fried rice for the first time. Yes, for the first time. And I'm going for shopping to buy the ingredients I need for this fried rice. So, let's go together. For this fried rice, I'll be using the local rice, popularly called Abakaliki rice. I will also be needing some chicken as my protein, curry powder, thyme, and some chicken seasoning. I'll also be using vegetable oil, mixed vegetables, and onions, and other little spices. So I'm back from shopping, so let's get into the house and start the cooking process, okay? So the first thing we need to do is to prepare our chicken stock. And the water from that chicken stock is what we use to cook the fried rice. For my chicken stock, I'm going to wash my chicken, then cut some onions into it, put the curry, the thyme, and some chicken seasoning into it. Then everything I'm going to boil together till it's fully cooked. So that's how I made this my chicken stock. This stock water is what I'm going to use to cook my fried rice. You understand? Okay. Now that our chicken is fully cooked, I'm going to separate the chicken from the stock. So I'm going to fry the chicken, then use the chicken stock to cook our fried rice. Here is our rice. I'm going to first wash it, then parboil it before I'll now finally cook it with the chicken stock. While we are parboiling our rice, let's fry the chicken. Our chicken is ready and fully fried. We can now add the parboiled rice into the chicken stock and allow the rice to cook very well. Time to use our mixed vegetable. So our mixed vegetable is ready, so I'm going to use it to prepare a sauce for the fried rice. I'm going to fry the mixed vegetable and fry it along with the rice. our fried rice is ready. Yeah. So let's have a taste. Luckily, I have a colleague around here, so he's going to have a taste of this fried rice. This is the first fried rice I'm cooking, so how is it?
You're getting there.
Where's your
You're getting there.
You're enjoying it, I think you're getting there. Confess now, confess.
Yes, it's good.
I'm the same.
It's good. It's good.
Child.
It's good. It's good.
Thank you very much. I hope you've learned something from this my video and you can go and prepare your own fried rice. Next week I will be bringing you another interesting video of another recipe that you would love. See you some other time. I'm still your host, your local chef, Vine Logo.